This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Tail light bulbs renewal. To change the rear stop and tail light bulb, undo the two retaining screws either side of the lens unit. Twist the bulb holder anti-clockwise to free it from the rear of the lens unit, then push the bulb in slightly and twist it anti-clockwise to remove it from the bulb holder. Fit the new bulb to the bulb holder by turning it clockwise. Then turn the bulb holder clockwise to secure it to the rear of the lens unit. Refit the light unit and secure it in position with the retaining screws. Do not over-tighten the screws because the lens is easily cracked. Check that the new bulb operates correctly after fitting. Follow the same procedure to remove the indicator lamp unit and bulb, then to refit. Follow the same procedure to remove the indicator lamp unit and bulb, then to refit. Follow the same procedure to remove the rear fog lamp and bulb, then to refit.